Affixes can come in a variety of forms, including prefixes and suffixes. In other words, they are grammatical components that can be added to the front or back of a word or word base. A word reduced to its essential form, to form a new word or an inflectional form of an existing word. The prefixes in and re indicate informality, while the suffixes ing and ing indicate formality in reporting. Infixes are the third type of affix. Words and word roots can be altered by adding infixes. The s used to form the plural in English words like cupful and passersby is an example of an infix, as are the various forms of the word damn used in informal constructions like guarandam tea. A combining form is a variant of a word that can only be found in combination with another. Compounding forms can be broken down further into subtypes based on the final word's meaning. The adverbial suffix -wise, the adjectival suffix like, the nounal suffix graph, and the verbal suffix lies are all examples of combining forms. Similar to affixes, combining forms can add a little something extra to a word's meaning. When the prefix cephal combines with the suffix ic to form cephalic, the resulting word is a combining form rather than a simple affix. One more way in which a combining form can differ from an affix is in its origin. In the noun paratrooper, the prefix para stands for the noun parachute, and so it functions as a combining form. Both paranormal and paramedic use para as a prefix. Borrowed from another language where it functions as a word or combining form, like the French mal from which we get the English mal. In malfunction, the historical origin of the distinction between an affix and a combining form is another factor.